Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashrika. Welcome to Global Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're gonna be looking at amazing 5 ways to make money online as an artist, as a designer, or even being as a print-on-demand seller. So I'm gonna be covering some 5 ways. Let's get started with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel because we upload daily videos and you'll be getting notified about it. So hit the bell icon as well, guys. And also we have a bunch of the free resources. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com. Check out all the freebies that we have and make sure to check it out each one, because the first way to make money online is, you can call it as a side hustle as well, or you can call it as a business as well, starting with a YouTube channel. And now it's not just for an artist or a designer or print-on-demand seller. It can be for anyone who wanna make videos related to whatever topic they feel like coming onto the YouTube. Now, starting with a new YouTube channel is an awesome way. Of course, it will going to take some time to make the money. It will never going to happen within a few days. If you are lucky enough, then you might get your channel monetized by the Google AdSense in few months, but ultimately be prepared to be in a longer run. You can build your own brand around it. You can sell your own products, your affiliate marketing. You can also do by that. There are so many ways in which you can make money online as in a YouTube channel, starting with YouTube. And journaling your work, like how you're progressing in your area, whatever you want to show to the people. It could be your life, it could be your business, your dream job, your family life, your social life, your relationship, whatever it is. You can just come onto the YouTube and start making these YouTube videos. And if you don't get monetized by Google, then also there are so many ways you can sell your products. You can sell the products to some other people who you feel like you trust them, and kind of like going with the affiliate marketing route, because currently my channel is not yet monetized, but still I make money by my YouTube channel, by the product sales. Like people buy the different products, the digital products that I provide the link in the description box below, or either they also click on the different websites link that I have in the description box below, buy something from these websites, and I get some percentage commission from that. So there are so many ways you can get started with that. Now, talking about the second way to make money online is by starting with selling your own greeting cards, because since you're a designer, you're an artist, you're print-on-demand seller, so you know some sort of designing. So you can sell your own greeting cards. It could be in the digital format, like you can create a greeting cards in the Canva. You don't need to go with the professional software like the Photoshop or the Adobe Illustrator. You can simply go with the Canva or the Trello or even the Krita. There are so many different softwares out there which are free. You can get started with that, and they are easy. You can create your own greeting card in the form of digital format. It could be a PDF, JPEG, PNG, whatever file format you want to go with that. You can either sell the digital file format on the Etsy. Check out the Etsy. There are so many people selling the greeting cards. Greeting cards could be the happy birthday cards, or could be the Father's Day cards, Mother's Day cards, the Easters, or could be the thank you card. There are so many greeting cards in the different areas which you can sell, and these range from few bucks to maybe $10, $15, depending on what you are providing with the package of your cards. You can sell the digital cards, or even you can take the printout of it, ship to your customer and do it in this way. So it can be a physical as well, it can be a digital as well. But starting with a greeting card is an amazing option. You don't need to be a designer to make a greeting card. You can simply make a greeting card with a text-based design. Just write a simple happy birthday or designer happy birthday. That's all. You can make a simple card as well. You don't need to go that route of creating a complex and kind of like colorful cards and all, because people buy all different kinds of cards. Some people only love the text, some people only like these simple cards only. They don't want the floral designs and all textures and all that. So it depends on the beginning, and later on if you want to go with that, then you can probably create a business around that. It could be a stationery business. Now, the third idea that I have for you is by selling the flash cards, or even you can sell your own cards. Now, what I really mean by cards, like the people love cards, like everyone love playing games, kids also love the games. You can create a card around a specific theme, niche, a topic, whatever it's your interest or hobby. If you're creating kind of like comic characters, you can create the cards around it and can sell it to your customers. Or either you can create cards around different names of the plants, different species of the flowers or the fruits for the name cards for the kids who want to learn the different names of the fruits. You can create the cards around it and you can sell it. Now you don't need to be an artist and designer to make that. Pictures of the different fruits and flowers and different illustrations and graphics from the Creative Fabrica as well. I'm going to leave in the description box below. You can simply check it out. You can check that website and you can get the cool illustration from this website, starting from few bucks a month, like $1 or $10, whatever price point you want to go with that. Even you can get the free graphics illustration as well, because it has a freebie section as well. Again, you can check it out, that link, and you can create a cards around that. It could be a side hustle in the beginning. You can sell them on the Etsy, and later on you can make it a whole business around it. But I feel like I also love the cards. When I was a kid, I remember I used to play the cards. And even right now, if I see the cards of a different color floral illustration, kind of like fruits, flowers, or comic characters or cartoons, I really love them. I put them on my vision board. I love that. So that is an awesome salary. You know how to design it. So that's not. The fourth way to make money online is making and selling the bookmarks. Now people love bookmarks. Who love reading books, they need a bookmarks. Bookmark can range from a simple small card shape, larger one in the form of a portrait shape, or in the form of a landscape shape of card. Like it can vary from different sizes, different shapes, and different kinds of illustrations and graphics. Like you can create them one, or either you can sell digitally on the Etsy. Etsy is an amazing place if you're looking for selling, especially the graphics, the illustrations, different kinds of design stuffs, different kinds of stationeries, different kinds of art, party illustrations or party stuffs. It's well for amazing, especially going with the Etsy. So I feel like bookmarks are really amazing. The people love reading books, and when they love reading books, they need a bookmark to keep in their books so that they can go through. So they don't need to just flip all the pages to reach that particular point or to reach to that particular page. They can just keep the bookmark and you can create that. You can either create the bookmark by your hand, you can make a beautiful floral illustration digitally. Again, you don't need to be a designer or an artist to make these bookmarks. You can create a simple text-based bookmark as well. Like you can write some sort of a motivational text, or it could be a joke, or it could be a simple text, and you can write these different shapes and different sizes. So make sure you check it out at Etsy for doing your market research, what actually sells and what kind of people actually purchase that. You can create according to it. Of course, there is all these routes. You need to do the research, but I could tell you the idea and you need to decide which idea you want to pursue, and then you can do a research based on that and go and forward. Now the last way to make money online is book cover designing, or making the book, or designing the book, formatting the book, whatever you can call it. You can start with the KDP business as well. I have made a bunch of videos talking about how to get started with the KDP. I'm going to leave in the card section above, you can check it out. But KDP is a business, like you just need to make your own books. You can create journals, diaries, logbooks, or simple line journals, or something like that, coloring books, puzzles, and you can just make the PDF version of these books and upload it onto the Amazon, the Kindle Direct Publishing, and the Amazon will going to handle the printing, shipping, and delivery when someone actually purchases your book. So that is just a simple route of going with a KDP book. You can even go with the book cover designing. Check out at the Etsy. There are so many people who are designing the book covers, because we need the people who can design these book covers. Obviously, you don't need to design a book cover like so fancy, so colorful. No, we want all different kinds of book cover design, like in the simple text space as well, simple textures, or simple abstract patterns, something like that. You can start with right now if you know somehow any, you can do the research on what kind of book covers people actually go for, what are the popular ones and all, and then you can design them and you can offer your services, or even if you can sell the different book cover templates, and you can just play around with the idea. You can even sell the interiors of the book, like the KDP interiors, or simply an interior of the books, like the coloring pages, the different puzzles, the Sudoku, the crosswords and all, and can make money. So these are some ways in which you can make money as an artist, as an online designer, or not even seller. There are so many ways. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you utilizing any of the ways, or are you thinking of starting with any of the ways? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.